Meeting up with my boy John. Meeting up with my boy John. He got the 600RR. It's filled my baby up. We out. We out, baby. The casino. Casino's beautiful out here, like for real, for real. Oh man, look at this Honda beauty. This Honda is beautiful, man. I think he said it's a 2008 Honda 600RR. Oh man, that bike is a beauty. I just love the exhaust on the back. It's just a really dope bike. Really dope bike. I gotta get on one of those one of these days. But y'all, in this vlog, I kind of want to talk to y'all about going from a 300 beginner bike to something like this, like a R1, and how do I feel, like basically would I recommend making that leap, and how do I feel now, you know, with the R1, especially after taking that low side that I took about a month ago now. For me, the biggest thing when it comes to, you know, riding any bike higher than a 300, I mean even with your 300, but especially if you go anything higher than a 300, so you got like a 600cc bike, you really want to work on your throttle control. That's the biggest thing. That was the biggest issue I had, really. That was the biggest issue I had. Woo! Was my throttle control. I had some terrible throttle control, and you know, coming from my 300, it was just like man, I would be flooring it in my 300 and I still wouldn't be going anywhere. So it was just weird. It was just weird and unexpected when if I just turned the throttle a little bit on this bike, that it would send me flying. So that's the main thing I would tell any beginner rider looking to get a leader bike. Please be very light. Be very light with that throttle, because it's very dangerous. But I mean, if you're very coordinated and you have a good idea of how to use a bike and the fundamentals on how to be a safe rider, you learn all the basics from the 300. So I haven't really got on a 600 liter bike yet. is something serious. I'm telling y'all, it's loads of fun. It's definitely loads of fun though. I really enjoy this bike. I'm glad I made this. I'm glad I made the decision to get a R1. But I think you can have. I think you can have just as much fun. I think you can have just as much fun on a R6. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure about that. His is all scared the shit out of me. Oh, lie, man, that thing. Man, this 600R ain't no joke. So we were gonna go to South Center Mall, but I don't know, we might go with this riding group and see what's up. Yeah, bro. Hey. Oh, it's lit. Hey, 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 we got. Hey. Seattle, baby! Seattle, baby, we in it, baby. Woo! Man, Seattle's such a nice place, man. Woo! Woo, T-Mobile Park. Yo, where are my Seahawks fans, baby? Do this every time. Woo! Yeah, we just covered. Well, let's see where we end up at. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Space Needle in Seattle. That is beautiful. Oh, we got a Ninja, we got a Stunner, oh, we got a Triumph. I don't know what that is. And we got the Honda, whatever. This is fire. You gotta go over there. What you trying to do? I guess I just... we just want to meet new people. Hey.
Are you on Tenet?
What was that?
Are you on Tenet?
No.
Hey, babe. Hey.
Is it like lower? Just lower? Like who? Larry. No, that's not him. That's not him. No.
You said Tenet? What? I never even heard of that.
It's the Facebook for motorcycle riders.
Okay.
What is it?
I never heard of it.
It's called Tenet. T-O-N-I-T. It's
Good, bro.
an app for motorcycle riders. You know, that's how we all know each other.
Oh, okay.
What, a white or a black?
What was that? White. Oh.
Here you go.
Appreciate it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Huh?
It's an awesome app.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Cause yeah, I just do like the Facebook groups.
That's Facebook.
Yeah.
Better, less drama.
Yeah. Yeah, cause that's how we met. We linked on Facebook today. So we here at Gigo's Jamaican Grill out here in Tacoma. So this is John's first time getting Caribbean food.
You're like dead.
Let me tell you.
For a white person, Thai food 4-star around there, I'll be good.
Let me tell you. Let me sit here and tell you. So I've been here before. I don't know if you've seen me, but I usually come in with my uniform or whatever, my Air Force stuff.
Okay, right.
Yeah. So let me tell you, I've been on the hunt. So there's a food truck on our base and stuff.
Okay.
And I just found out they had Caribbean food, and I think they heard of you, because I was telling them, man, I live in Olympia. I was like, man, I drive all the way to Tacoma and freaking Seattle for some Caribbean food. I was like, I just found this like really good spot in Tacoma. He was like, yeah, but they expensive though. I was like, I guess. And then I tried theirs, bro. It was not good at all. It was terrible. It was terrible. I was like, damn, if you're gonna talk trash about people, at least be your food good. I was like, the food was trash. But yeah, I told them this is first time having Caribbean food. So.
Welcome.
But yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all food good, I guess, essentially.
I appreciate that.
Give y'all little props on. I do like vlogging and stuff.
Right on. Thank you. Can I do jerk chicken? But have it sliced up like the jerk chicken pasta, but on rice.
Oh, okay.